So we are on example 3 right here. So this is 5.5, verifying double angle identities. Now, verifying is what we did in 5.2. I know you guys all love 5.2. 5.2 was your guys' favorite section ever.
Going back to this?
Happy birthday.
Do you mind? Seriously. Okay, so right here, I'm going to start with the fact that we do not want double angles. We have to get rid of double angles. Every time you're trying to verify, you get rid of double angles. So here, I have this is a double angle here. Single angle, double angle, double angle. But when we verify identities, we work from the left side or right side. And on this one, I am going to work from only the left side. So I'm going to clean it up first before I do anything. Because when I do cosine, there's 3 different values I could use for cosine. Okay? I want to choose the right one. So I need to work from my left side. Now, I have to go back a couple pages. I'm going to replace sine 2a, which is here, with 2 sine a cosine a. So I'm replacing this with this. So I'm going to have cotangent of x sine, I'm replacing it. So this is going to be 2 sine x cosine x equals. Now, I'm not going to work with this right side yet. I'm just going to do this. All I did is I replaced that using my double angle identity. And so now it's all in single angles. There's no longer any double angles. Let's go ahead and turn it into x's and y's. So this here is going to be, very good, x over y times 2 over 1 times, sine is what? Y over 1. If I'm dealing with identities, r is always 1. Very good. R is always 1 times cosine, which is?
X over 1.
Very good. X over 1. Right there. That's going to be equal to something over here on this side. So let's clean up the left-hand side. If I were to clean up the left-hand side, I multiply fractions how? Straight across, right? So straight across. So together on top, I'm going to have 2, right? X squared and y. So 2x squared y over y times 1 times 1 times 1.
Y.
Just y. Yep. Now, what could I do here?
Cancel the y's.
Cancel a y. So I'm going to cancel the y. Cancel the y. So I'm left with just 2x squared. So since this is an identity, what does that 2x squared represent? 2 cosine squared x, right? That's what that's going to be. Yes? Okay, so that's important. I got to that point right there. So now that tells me that my answer should not have what?
Y.
Shouldn't have any y's because I only have x's, don't I?
Yes.
So I know that I have 3 different identities for cosine 2x. So let's go back. Here it is. I have 3 different identities for cosine 2x. I have this one here. So this is cosine squared minus sine squared. Do I want to use that one?
No.
No. I have 2 cosine A is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared A. Do I want to use that?
No.
No. This one right here, I have 2 cosine squared A minus 1.
Yes.
I want to use that one because it only has cosines, right?
Yeah.
I don't want any sines. If I don't have to have any sines, I don't want to. Cosine should be the easiest one because that's the one you could choose, and you want to choose the easiest one. You don't want to make more work for yourself.
So if a girl's dropping signs, you don't want them.
Do what?
If a girl's dropping signs on you, you don't want them.
Yes. Alright, now, this side over here. So it's going to be 1 plus, now I'm replacing my cosine 2x with
2 cosine squared x
x.
plus minus, or I don't know, forget about that part.
It's minus 1, right?
Yeah, minus.
Minus 1, because that's the identity from the formula, right?
Alright.
Now, is there any distribution to be going on right here?
No.
There's no distribution, right?
No.
So, right here, this is going to be 1 plus 2 cosine squared x minus 1 now, right? What's going to happen to that plus 1 and minus 1?
Cancel.
Wants to talk to you about
Cancel.
wants to talk to you about one answer.
Alright, so now what's going to happen to my positive 1 here and my minus 1?
Cancel.
Cancels, goes away, so it's going to become 2 cosine squared x. Hey, look, is that the same?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Ooh.
It verifies.
I'm lost.
Hey, this is
How much
easy.
is it?
Yeah, this is better.
This is
It's the same stuff. You've just seen it that many more times.
It's just like on my way home from here, something happened to my brain. I get home, do homework, and it's like, what?
Then don't leave here. Stay here and finish your homework.
I'm gonna take tomorrow.
Okay. Alright, questions over this? Concerns, complaints. So I'm going to stop with this example here, and tomorrow I'm going to pick it up on the other example, okay?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it.
Love math.
Happy birthday.